ReadyWire B Series, Basic Office Binding Machines. Professional quality binding at an entry-level price. Introducing the Formax ReadyWire Basic Office Binding Machines. Compact, all-in-one wire binding systems designed to deliver professional-looking documents with the quality and reliability Formax is known for right out of the box. Built with rugged all-metal construction, the ReadyWire B Series combines manual punching and wire binding into one compact workstation, ideal for small offices, schools, churches, home offices, and light-duty print environments. Simple, intuitive controls and ergonomic design make it easy for anyone to create polished presentations, reports, proposals, training manuals, planners, and more. Setup is quick and straightforward. A pre-marked paper guide ensures accurate hole placement every time, while staggered punch pins reduce punching effort for smoother operation. The built-in document thickness guide identifies the proper wire size and binding closure position, taking the guesswork out of creating professional-looking documents from the very first booklet. So why choose wire binding? Wire-bound documents create a premium professional appearance that stands above plastic comb or coil. Pages turn smoothly, lie flat for easy reading, and maintain their shape without stretching or becoming distorted over time. The durable double-loop wire also provides greater document security since pages can't be easily removed or rearranged. Choose the model that best fits your binding needs. The ReadyWire 3B, featuring a 3:1 pitch with 3 holes per inch, is ideal for presentations, proposals, and smaller reports, producing a refined, professional finish for documents but limited to a binding size of 135 pages. For greater versatility, Formax recommends the ReadyWire 2B, featuring a 2:1 pitch with 2 holes per inch. It binds everything from just a few sheets up to 280-page manuals and reference books. Its expanded binding range makes it the ideal solution for organizations producing a wide variety of document sizes while maintaining the same premium wire-bound appearance. Choosing the right wire is just as important as choosing the right binding system. Formax Premium ReadyWire is packaged in patented wire sheets that keep every wire organized and easy to remove. Individual wires separate cleanly without tangling, reducing waste and keeping production flowing efficiently. Whether you're producing a simple presentation or a comprehensive training manual, the Formax ReadyWire B Series offers entry-level affordability while delivering professional results.